Yeah, hello all, good morning. I welcome all you to my IICS first batch. I welcome all you people. In this, many people knows about me. Okay, so many people and few people don't know about me. Yeah, so let me introduce myself first. Let me introduce myself. This is Raj. I am from Hindupur, Andhra Pradesh. I am having total 12 years of experience into Informatica. I have worked on several tools like Informatica Powercenter, Informatica IICS, Information Lifecycle Management, IDQ, MDM. So these these tools I have worked on, and I have been giving training from 2 years. So in Powercenter, almost 19 batches completed. So this is my first batch of IICS, that is today. I hope everyone able to see my screen and everyone able to hear me. If my voice is clear and everyone able to see my screen properly. Is my voice is clear, please? Yes. Okay. Yeah. Yes. If it is breaking, that is your problem. So because almost all people able to hear me, so you should have a good internet connection. Okay. Fine. So today is our first session of IICS, that is Informatica Cloud. I hope everyone is having knowledge on Informatica Powercenter, correct? Do you have knowledge on Informatica Powercenter, all transformations and mapping sessions, workflows? Yes, please. Yeah. So everyone is having. So you should have the knowledge, not complete knowledge, but at least basic knowledge you should have. So better get the Powercenter knowledge first. Then if you join IICS, then you will understand better. Okay. So if you don't have Powercenter knowledge, so please get Powercenter knowledge first. If you want, you can join our Powercenter training. Then if you join IICS, then it will be good for you. Okay. So I recommend to get the Powercenter knowledge first. Okay. Fine. So I hope everyone is having knowledge on Informatica 10.2.0, right? You people is having knowledge on 10.2.0, at least 9, Informatica 9 or 10, correct? Yes, please. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So now, so actually, we have learned about Powercenter. Okay, Informatica Powercenter. So if you see, so you have learned Informatica Powercenter. It's an ETL tool. Okay. It's an ETL tool. Informatica Powercenter. Informatica Powercenter belongs to which company? Informatica Powercenter belongs to which company? It is belong to which company? It belongs to Informatica. Same, Informatica has implemented one more tool. It's a cloud-based tool called Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services. Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services. So this is called IICS. This is also from Informatica. So nowadays, everything is moving to cloud. So they have invented one more tool called later. First, they have invented just Informatica Cloud. Just Informatica Cloud. Yes, please. Later, the next version is ICS. ICS, that is Informatica Cloud Services. Okay. So this is one only, Informatica Cloud Services. Just a second. 1 second. Yeah, Informatica Cloud Service, that is ICS. So when I was in 2013, when I was in 2013, I worked on ICS, the first version, very basic version of. That time we don't have many features in cloud services, ICS. Later from 2016, 17 onwards, or 18 onwards, or 19, I guess, they have implemented IICS, okay, which is having lots of features than ICS. Okay. So the very basic version also I worked when I was working in HCL. I worked on ICS. Now in my previous project and current project, I am working on IICS. Okay. Yes. So we are working on both Powercenter and IICS in my project. Yeah, you will also same. You will work on both, or you will work on anyone. Yes. So today we are learning about Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services. So now we should see the difference between Powercenter and IICS first. We should see the difference between Powercenter and IICS first. In between, if you get any doubt, you please ping me in the Zoom. I'll see your chat and I'll reply. No worries about it. Okay. Let's see, guys. Let's see the differences first. This is also ETL tool. This is also ETL tool, but it's a cloud-based ETL tool. Cloud-based ETL tool. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? Understood, guys? Are you clear? So let's start the differences first. Yeah, today recording will be provided. Yes, today recording will be provided. Okay. Yes. Let's see the differences first. Okay. Yeah. If you see the differences about Informatica Powercenter versus IICS, see, Informatica Powercenter, there are two things you need to understand. There are two things you need to understand. On-premise tools. On-premise tools. Okay. On-premise tools. Or next is cloud-based tools. Cloud-based tools. What is called on-premise tool means which work on, that means you need to install software in your system. ETL developer can become a data analyst. Yes, you can. Okay. Now just listen. There are two types of tools actually. On-premise tools, cloud-based tools. On-premise tools means what? It requires a server and client installation. If you see Informatica requires client and server installation, correct? Yes, please. Informatica required, first we will install server, Informatica server, then we'll install Informatica client, correct? So it requires lots of installation. Server, it will take almost half an hour. For many people, installing Informatica, first what we will do, first we will install Oracle. Any database first we need to install. For if you want to, what I can say, install ETL tool, first we should install a database first, because the metadata will be saved under database for Powercenter. That is why first we will install Oracle. First we will install. In Oracle, we'll create a schema. We'll create two schemas: Informatica domain, Informatica repository. Correct? We will install two schemas: Informatica domain, Informatica repository. Yes? Yeah, correct. So the metadata will be present in this. And then we will install Informatica server. Then we'll install Informatica client. Okay. So first we will install Oracle. Then we'll install Informatica server. Okay. Then we'll install Informatica client. So lots of installation is required. Lots of space is required to install this. Correct. Lots of system requirement is required to install this. Those are called on-premise tools. Cloud-based tools means no installation required. No installation required, or a lightweight software. Or a lightweight. Lightweight software means just MBase can be installed in can be installed in seconds. Seconds. Understood? Okay. These cloud-based tools, few cloud-based tools not required any installation. Few cloud-based tools few cloud-based tool what level can be installed in just a small installation is required. For IICS also we require a small installation. It can be done in seconds, correct? You install the IICS secure agent in seconds, correct guys? Just next. That's it. Yes or no? Have you installed everyone? Have you installed everyone? Yeah, yes, it requires very small. If you compare to Powercenter, installation of IICS is nothing. It's like just like nothing. Correct. Will you agree, guys? Yes. So that is called on-premise tools. Yeah. So Powercenter has a traditional desktop based on on-premise solution. Oracle is not required. See, to work on Informatica Cloud, any database is not required. You can work with files also. See, suppose you want to work with Powercenter. Suppose you want to work on files. You want to work on flat files in Powercenter. If you want to work on flat files in Powercenter, you should first install Oracle. Then you should create the schemas, InfoDOM and info repository. Then you should import. Then you can import the file. Correct? Suppose you want to import one flat file to Informatica server, to Informatica Powercenter. For that, first you need to install server. If you want to install server, a database must required. First you need to install a database, InfoDOM, info repository, then server, then client, then open Powercenter repository, connect it, then import the flat file. But if you want to import a flat file, in IICS, no database required. No database required. If you want to import a table, then a database required. But if you want to import a file, no database required in IICS. Are you clear? Understanding? Are you clear, please? Everyone? So that is called on-premise tool. So Powercenter is a traditional desktop on-premise solution, user interface that is installed under user's machine and requires a server client application. But IICS is a cloud-based solution, provides similar functionality as Powercenter. It can be better way access to via internet, has a web-based user interface that users can access through web browser. Okay, so IICS can be open in browser itself, not required any software, just a small software. It can be installed in seconds. If you want to open Powercenter, how to open Powercenter? You have to open this one, right? Powercenter. A separate tool should be installed and you should connect it. This is to work on. So you need to start the services first. If you want to open Informatica Powercenter, you need to start the services first. Okay, let me start services. Yeah. Okay, I started. So you need to connect it and you need to work on, or suppose you want to open IICS. Suppose you want to open Informatica Cloud. Just open the browser, open any browser. Just open any browser. I opened the browser. Okay. And they will give a link. They will give a browser link like this. Just take this one. Take this and paste it in the browser. Then it will open. It will ask you the user ID password. Is it asking user ID password? Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services, username, password. Then how to log in? So just give the username. This username will be given by Informatica Cloud, or if we create a trial version, this will be the same. And give the password. Yes, please. Give the password, login. Once you click on login, so this will log in. See, we have many things called API Manager, API Portal, Application Integration Console, Data Integration, Administrator, Operational Insights, Monitor. We have many things, correct? Then if you want to do a mapping, select Data Integration. So it will open Data Integration. You can open this in your mobile also. You cannot run this, but you can open this in your mobile also. Understanding, guys? In real time also same. Yes, in real time also we'll do the same thing. Okay, got it? If you want to open Informatica Cloud, a browser is required, a Mozilla Firefox, or a what is this Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. That is enough to open Informatica Cloud. Are you clear, please? Understood? Understood, everyone? What is Powercenter? What is IICS? Did you understand? Yes, please. If you want to see a Powercenter mapping, okay, you might have already worked on Powercenter. All the people worked on Powercenter maybe. So a Powercenter mapping look like this. A Powercenter mapping look like this. Okay, look like this. Okay, it will be on your system. In your local system, it should be there. But if you want to see the IICS mapping, I'll show you how the mapping looks like. So it looks like this. It looks like this. This is IICS mapping. Yes, please. Clear about it? That's about the first difference. Next, same installation and maintenance. Powercenter requires installation and maintenance by the customer, and it requires a database for installation. I told you already, if you want to install a Powercenter, first you should install a database because metadata of Powercenter will be stored under table format in InfoDOM and Info repository. Are you clear? Understood, everyone? IICS is maintained by Informatica and no database is required. Everything saved on cloud. Whatever you saved, it will not save in your system. It will directly save under Informatica server. That is Informatica Corporation server. Are you clear, please? Understood? Everyone? Understanding? Guys, you there? Please reply. Are you able to understand? Are you able to hear my voice clearly? Okay, I will tell you. Please wait. Next, cost. Powercenter is most expensive solution because it requires hardware and software infrastructure to run on premises. As I told you, if you want to install Informatica Powercenter, you should require at least 6 GB RAM, at least i3 or more laptop, correct? You require a hardware first. Hardware means what? A separate system is required, a separate server is required. Yes, please. Guys, is my voice is breaking? Is my voice is breaking? No. For 99% people, it is not breaking. If it is breaking means that is your problem. If it is breaking means that is your problem, please. I have a good internet connection. I have really good internet connection. I have 300 Mbps speed. I have. Let me 1 second. Let me change. 1 second, please wait. But I have a good internet connection, please. Now able to hear me? Now is it breaking? Is my voice is breaking now? Clear now? Clear? Yes? Yeah. Okay. So Powercenter is most expensive because it requires hardware. We should invest on hardware first. Then we should, if you want to get the licenses of Informatica Powercenter, we should get the license of Informatica. But being a cloud-based solution, it is cost-effective, eliminates the needs of hardware. So you can open, if you have any laptop, you can open Informatica Cloud in your browser. If your laptop is able to open google.com, you can open Informatica Cloud also. If your laptop is able to open, if you're able to open google.com, you can able to open this also. So it reduces hardware cost. Which reduces hardware cost? IICS reduces hardware cost. Next, coming to connectivity. Powercenter typically connects on on-premise data sources. On-premise data sources means again, on-premise data sources means like the databases which requires installation. The databases which requires installation. Oracle, SQL Server, Teradata, okay, Teradata, yes please, Oracle, SQL Server, Teradata, DB2, MySQL, yes please. These are all required separate installation on your system, yes or no? If you have to work on Oracle, you should work on Oracle Server, then you should install Oracle Server, then you should install SQL Developer. If you want to work on SQL Server, first SQL Server you should install, then SQL Server Management Studio you should install. All these things. That means this Informatica will, Powercenter will mainly talk with on-premise databases, but cloud will talk with cloud databases. What are cloud databases? Anyone knows? What are cloud databases? Anybody knows? Do you know any cloud databases? Cloud databases? Yes, we have the cloud databases. We have the cloud databases like Google Cloud Platform, the popular one. Okay, everybody are using Google Cloud, GCP BigQuery, Google Cloud Platform, Snowflake database. Yes, please. AWS and Salesforce, Azure. Yes, please. Azure. These are the cloud databases. GCP, Snowflake, AWS, Salesforce, Azure are the cloud databases. This doesn't require any software. This does not require any software. Understanding? Understood, everyone? Suppose I want to work on GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Just what I will do, see please. I want to work on Google Platform. Okay, Google Cloud. See now how I am doing. I did not install anything. I am just on the browser. I am giving console.google.com. Console.google.com. Yes, please. Once I given, so then it is having a project. Okay. So if you want to write a query, see what I'm writing. In the navigation window, BigQuery SQL workspace. Okay, I'll show you. See now, here I have different databases or different schemas. If you see here, I have different databases. I have different tables. Are you seeing? Yes, please. Suppose I want to see how many records in the customer's TGT. See, please select. I am using Google Cloud Platform, GCP, a BigQuery. Select. Okay, select star from. Yes, please. Then I am using my project name. Okay, dot my database name, dot my table name. Yes, please. Execute now. See, run. I'm having data. Are you seeing the data, guys? Customer ID, name, address, website, credit limit, the columns. These are all the rows. Yes or no, please? Understanding, everyone? Clear about it? Like this. So, cloud-based, IICS is a cloud-based, cloud also advanced version of databases, which are done same thing. Correct? Yes. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is, IICS is easily able to connect with the cloud databases. Understanding? Like GCP, Snowflake, AWS, Salesforce, Azure, everything will work on Chrome. You can open in your mobile also. Understanding? Everyone, are you clear, please? Understood, guys? Yes, please. So that's about what is this? That's about the cost. Connectivity. I told you the connectivity we were discussing. Okay, you can connect IICS with on-premise also. You can connect IICS with on-premise tools also. From IICS, you can connect to Oracle, you can connect to SQL Server, you can connect it to DB2, anything you can connect, please. From IICS, you can connect to this. You can connect to this also. Yes, please. You can connect to this, but it is easily able to connect to this. Informatica Powercenter, it is difficult to connect this. Connect to cloud platform. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? You cannot run. You can open in mobile, you cannot run. That's it. Yes, please. You can connect. What is a BigQuery? It is See, we will call Oracle as a Oracle SQL query. Same for GCP, they given their own name. If you want to write a query, we will call it as a BigQuery. In Google Cloud Platform, we will not call it as a SQL query. We will call it as a BigQuery. Just a name, that's it. Just a name. Again, the syntax almost is same. See, select star from, but little something project name dot database name dot and table name. It's almost same. Yes, please. Clear about it? Are you clear, guys? Understood? Everyone understanding? So that's about connectivity. Powercenter typically connects to on-premise data sources, but IICS can connect to many cloud data sources like Snowflake, Amazon, Google Cloud Platform, or BigQuery, Salesforce, etc. Now, data integration features. Powercenter has a wide range of data integration capabilities such as profiling, cleansing, transformation, data quality. Yes, Powercenter, it's being a oldest ETL tool. I am seeing ETL tool, this ETL tool from almost when I was seeing from 2006 onwards, I was seeing this Informatica. Not 2006, 2003, 2002 onwards. I heard Informatica people are there. It was a very popular ETL tool till now. Now they have implemented IICS, but Powercenter is also a effective, a powerful tool, I can say. And it uses wide range of companies, but it is having many data integration capabilities like data profiling, data cleansing, transformations, which we have seen, and data quality. But now coming to IICS, IICS is also having all these features. Informatica Intelligent Cloud Service is also having all these features. Apart from that, we have cloud application integration, cloud data integration, and application integration management. So this will be having more, whatever the features in Powercenter, we have everything here. Apart from that, yes, please. Apart from that, data integration features also. That means there are many integration features, that is cloud, that is what? API, mainly APIs. In IICS, we have data integration and API. Yes, is there good opportunity for IICS and Powercenter in future? Yes, please. Nowadays, every company is looking for IICS and Powercenter both. The candidate who is working on both, who knows the knowledge on both, they are giving main preference. If you know Powercenter and IICS, surely you will get a good package, I'm saying, and you will be having good openings. Understood, guys? Everyone, are you clear? Understood? For free version, GCP, no cost. If you want to create a free version, that 90 days free version will be there. It will be no cost, but you should require a credit card. For that. Okay? Yes, please. Understood, everyone? Are you clear? Understanding, guys? Clear about it? Yes, please. Understood? How much package will come minimum? That's based on your current package, your company, everything. Now, so integration capabilities. Powercenter is primarily designed for primary. If you don't have credit card, you cannot. We'll see. Okay. So it will not, because they have designed like that. If you want a trial version for GCP, not cloud. IICS, no credit card, nothing. For IICS, no credit card, nothing. For GCP, you should require a credit card, and no debit card. I tried, it is not working. Debit card I tried, it's not working. I will try with other debit cards. If I succeeded, I will tell you. If I succeed, I'll tell you. Okay, but as of now, if you use a credit card, it will deduct 2 rupees only. For that, they will give a credit. They'll give credit of 24,790, and it will be there here. Okay, in your system, it will be 90 days. 90 days. What I can say, trial period will be 90 days for 1 GB validity. Okay, fine. Integration capabilities. Okay. Do they have chance to people work on cloud with experience of 2 years? Yes. Yeah, 2 years on Powercenter. Yes. Yes, please. You can. Powercenter is primarily designed for complex data integration projects involving large volume of data sets, multiple data sources. Correct. Powercenter we were mainly used for larger data sets, which are having million records in the sources. If you want to pull the data and if you want to load it to target, okay, so then we will use Powercenter. Okay, IICS mainly same again we'll use for large data things, but it's on cloud database. Cloud database. Understood? Yes, please. Yeah, I'll give a video. I will give a video how to install IICS. If you are having any issues, if you are facing issues on installing IICS, if you are facing issues on installing IICS, then please WhatsApp us on 8105296858. Please WhatsApp us on 8105296858. Clear, guys? Are you clear? Understood? Everyone understood? Okay. So these are all differences between Powercenter and IICS. Did you understand the differences between Powercenter and IICS? Did you understand the difference between Powercenter and IICS? Everyone, please. Are you clear, guys? Yes, please. Okay. Now we'll go directly to IICS. So how you need to log into IICS? I'm just closing everything. How you need to log into IICS? How to do a mapping? We'll see now. How to do a mapping? We'll see now. Okay. Yes, please. Yeah, with IICS can work on any cloud platform. Yes, please, we can. Okay. So yeah, we'll see now how to work on IICS. First, you need to install Secure Agent. First, what you need to install? See, in our training, first 2-3 classes will work on Oracle. Until you feel comfortable with IICS, we'll work on Oracle only. We'll connect it to Oracle flat files. Once you're familiar with IICS, once you are adjusted with IICS, then we'll go for GCP, we'll go for Snowflake, we'll go for Salesforce. All those things I will show you. We'll work on those. We'll work on SQL Server also. Okay. As of now, until you next 3-4 sessions, okay, until you get adjusted to IICS, until you understood completely about IICS platform, we'll use Oracle. Let's not complex first. We should not complex at the initial stages. Directly we'll go to Google platform, means you will confuse. So if you are my student, you might have already Oracle installed, correct? If you are my student, you are already having Oracle already. And you have if you have any of the schema you have, if you have Oracle SQL Developer installed, and if you are able to connect the schema, done. Suppose I am able to open one schema. If you're able to connect any schema, if you already installed Oracle, don't install again. If you already installed Oracle, don't install again. Just create a schema, or if you have already a schema, open the schema and select any table. And select any table and check whether you are getting results or not. And check whether you are getting results or not. Then enough. No need to install Oracle. If you don't have Oracle, I will provide the data sets and all. I'll provide. Yes, please wait. If you don't have Oracle in your system, if you don't have SQL Developer in your system, first install Oracle. I will give a video. First install Oracle, number 1. Next, install Oracle SQL Developer. Install SQL Developer. Yes, please. Understanding? Create a schema in Oracle. Create a schema in Oracle. Okay? Yes, please. Understood, everyone? Guys? Able to understand? Yes, please. Yeah. So what I'm trying to say is, if you have Oracle already, no need to install again. Just create a schema. Let's create a schema first. If you have OTSRC Dev 1, that is fine. I'm just creating a schema first. How to create a schema, I'm showing you. You know already how many people don't know how to create a schema? How many people don't know how to create a schema? How many people don't know how to create a schema? Everyone knows about how to create a schema? Everyone, I hope everyone knows. If you don't know means, so you don't know. If you don't know means you don't know how to work on Powercenter. If you are able to work on Powercenter, you should be able to create a schema. How to create a schema? Come to schema. Here, there is a schema. Open the schema and write a create user. I'm giving OT SRC dev1. Some name OT SRC dev1 identified by admin. And then grant all privileges to OT SRC dev1. Then grant DBA to OT SRC dev1. First create a source. So now we are working on IICS. Suppose we are working on IICS. Okay, this is IICS. Let's say this is IICS. Okay, this is IICS, Chrome IICS. Okay, yes, please. If you have Chrome, now we need a source database. We need a source, we need a target. We need a source. We need a source. We need a target. Source database, target database. I am using source and target as of now, Oracle, for better understanding. As of now, please. As of now. After 3-4 days, we'll completely move into SQL Server or move into GCP or Snowflake or all those things will work on daily basis. But next 4-5 days, we'll work on Oracle only. So we need a source and target. We require a source and target. We require a source. We require a target. So we are using Oracle. We are using Oracle as a source, Oracle as a target. Oracle as a source, Oracle as a target. And we are using a schema. And we are using a schema called OT. And we are using a schema called OT SRC dev1, source schema. OT SRC dev1. And we require a target schema, OT TGT dev1. Understood? Are you clear, please? Understanding? Yes, please. Guys, clear about it? Are you clear? I need the replies, please. So I'm going to Oracle. I am creating source schema first. I created it. See, I created source schema. Same way, create target schema also. OT TGT dev1. OT TGT dev1. Create a target schema also. Created. Both the schemas created. OT SRC dev1. OT TGT dev1. Now configure them. Now what you have to do? Configure them. How to configure? Click on plus. OT SRC dev1. This is a schema name or username. Password is admin. Password is admin. Test connect. Connected. OT SRC dev1 is connected. Here. Connected, please. Next, connect target schema. Click on plus. OT TGT. OT TGT dev1. Yes, please. Give the username. Password. Test connect. So I connected OT SRC dev1. OT TGT dev1. Yes, please. This is my source schema. And this is my target schema. Understood? Everyone? Are you clear? So if you are my student, I have given some tables to you, correct? Did I give some tables to you? Did I give some tables to you guys? I'll show you what are those tables. These Oracle tables and data. Did I give some tables? Oracle tables and data. What you do? Open the schema DDL. Now again open the schema DDL. Open it and execute in OT SRC dev1. Execute in how to open OT SRC dev1. Suppose everything is closed. How to open? So go to the left side. Click on OTSRC Dev 1. Right click. Open SQL worksheet. Open SQL worksheet. Then paste it. All the DDLs, create table statements, paste it. Execute. Tables created. I'll give these tables to you. I'll give again these tables to you. Executed. Executed, please. Yes, guys. I executed all the tables. Now, next. Open the next one. Open the next one. Schema DML. Here I have insert statements. Execute in the same source schema. Execute in the source schema. So you will get the, you will get all the, what is this? All these tables data will be installed in your source schema. So you will be having good amount of tables. Now down. All these countries, locations, warehouses, employees, products, contacts, all these are data is inserted. Right, disconnect and connect to see the tables. Disconnect and connect to see the tables. See, you got it. You already know how to do it. Correct. In these 124 people who are not my students, can you ping their name in the chat? If you are not my student, can you ping your name, please, in the chat, in Zoom chat? If you are not my student. Okay. So you are able to understand my lectures? Are you able to understand my lectures without any confusions? Are you able to understand? And whoever not my students, you know already Powercenter? You know already Powercenter? Yes, good. Good, right? Yes, yeah, fine, good then. Thanks for joining. Yes, thanks for joining. Okay. Yes, please. Yeah. So what you have done? What you have done? So I created source schema, target schema. I created source schema, target schema. Okay. And I given sample tables in the today's what I can say in the today's folder, in the today's material folder. Okay, the batch-1 in the session 1, I given Oracle tables and data. First open this, execute in source schema, and open this, execute in source schema, so that you will be having good amount of tables. Clear, guys? So that is about Oracle. So we finish about Oracle. So we have many tables in Oracle. If you see here, select star from contacts. Okay, we'll have good amount of tables. Select star from contacts. Yes, please. Yeah, like this, we have good amount of records. Now we'll bring them into IICS. That's about Oracle. Clear about it? We have source schema, we have target schema. Are you clear? We have source schema, we have target schema. Yes, please. Yeah. So today you create a other schema for Powercenter for IICS. If you already Powercenter, you have OTSRC Dev 10, Dev 11, Dev 12, Dev 13, Dev 14, maybe based on your date, based on your batch. But today you create a new one and do it, please. Clear about it? Are you clear? Understood? Next. Now we'll go to IICS. So once you install, create a schema in work, create source and target schema in Oracle, and insert the table DDL and DML in source schema in OTSRC Dev 1 schema, in OTSRC Dev 1 schema in Oracle. Correct? Yes, please. This is what we have done. This is what we have done, please. Are you clear? If you don't have installed Oracle, I'll give a video and a link. You can install Oracle eventually. Okay, done. Now the next one is you need to install secure agent. You need to first create a trial account. You need to create a trial account. You need to create a Informatica IICS trial account. How to create Informatica trial account? So you can go to Google. Okay, Google. Informatica Cloud. You Google search Informatica Cloud. After 30 days, Again, you need to, yes, Informatica Cloud IICS will be having 30 days access for one Gmail ID. After 30 days, you need to create one more. You can import all your files to here. You can import all your files to here, all your mappings to here. Yes, please. Understood, guys? So for one Gmail ID, they will give, for one Gmail ID, they will give, what I can say, 30 days period, 30 days trial period. Okay. Just wait for 1 minute. I'll come back. Please wait 1 minute. I'll come back. Please wait. I will show you how to import one mail to another mail. I will show you. Okay. After 1 month, you should use another Gmail. Correct. So Informatica Cloud login, Informatica Cloud trial account. You just Google search Informatica Cloud trial account. Okay. See here, choose your cloud, free cloud platform trial. Yes, please. Here what you should do. Okay. Free trial. Click on free trial. Now it will show like this. Please see. Free 30-day trial for cloud integration. You can use your first name, last name, job title, work email. This and all I already shown in the video. I'll give installation video. You can go through that. Okay. Yes, please. Clear, guys? Yeah. So first you need to create a trial account. Then you need to download Secure Agent. From there only, you need to download Secure Agent and install Secure Agent. Okay. You need to download Secure Agent and install Secure Agent. Once you download and install, okay. If you have any, what about the data we have worked in 1 month? Before trial ends, you should export and import to next account. You can. I will show you how to export and import. The mappings which you have done, you have to export to another account. You have to export from this account and import to another account. I will show you how to do. Okay. So you will not lose any data. Don't worry. Okay. Now, so once you download and install Secure Agent, first step is after this, open Informatica IICS in Chrome. open Informatica IICS link in Chrome incognito mode. Incognito mode, it will be faster. Incognito mode, instead of normal mode, incognito mode will be faster. How to open incognito mode? Open Chrome. Here 3 dots. Are you seeing incognito mode? Are you seeing incognito mode, please? Everyone? Click on incognito mode. Yes, please. Click on incognito mode. Guys, you there? Are you getting my point? You there? Can you reply, please? Yeah. Here, I will give the link. This link and Gmail ID will be there in your Gmail. Once you create a trial account, this link and Gmail username will be sent to Informatica Cloud. Will send an email to your Gmail. In the Gmail, this link and username will be there. Password, whatever you set, that password you need to use. I am copying this link and I am pasting in incognito mode. Then it will ask username, password. Give the username and the password. Whatever the password you set while you create a trial account, the same password you should use here. Once you use the password, now here if you see, there is 1, 2, 3, there are 8 components. In Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services, 8 components are there. In that, what we need on daily basis is, we need 3 things. One is data integration, administrator, monitor. As we are starting with our training is cloud data integration, cloud application integration, correct? Our training is cloud data integration, cloud application integration. So first we are dealing with cloud data integration. For that, we need 3 components. Now, how to open these 3 components? See, please. Right click on this, open link in new tab. Right click on administrator, open link in new tab. Right click on monitor, open link in new tab. Understood? Yes, please. Or you can click on data integration. Data integration will open like this. See here. So data integration will open, or already open. This is data integration. This is administrator console. Administrator console will open. Next one is monitor will open. It will take some time. It will open. So this is the first window is data integration. You see, Informatica data integration. This is Informatica administrator. This is Informatica monitor. We require these 3. Now the first step in the video already shown you. In the administrator, the first thing you need to check is first go to services. Like Powercenter, we have a Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services. We have a service called Informatica Cloud Service Agent. It will not stop. Like Powercenter, it will not stop. It will be always running. This will not stop at all. If it is stopped, then you need to restart. Then you need to stop. Now it is running. That is the first check. If it is running, go to administrator. Suppose you are in data integration. How to go to administrator? Click on this arrow mark. Again, this will come. Right click on it. Now administrator you want. Right click, open a new tab. Understood? Understood, please? Here, the first thing, the main important thing in administrator is secure agent, runtime environment. Click on runtime environment. You will be seeing there will be 2 agents. Informatica Cloud Hosted Agent and your own, this is your own laptop name. This is my laptop name. These both should be in running status. Click on this arrow mark. Click on your laptop, your host name, that is laptop name. These 5 should be in up and running. In this, the main thing is we require data integration server, common integration components. These 2 should be in running status. Others also should be in running status. To run a mapping, if it is process server error, not a problem, leave it. Process server, we will not use it as of now. As of now, we are using these two common integration components, mainly data integration server. Clear, guys? You should go to runtime environments in administrator. You should go to runtime environments. Click on this. Click on this. Click on the secure agent. Your secure agent should be all up and running. Understood? What is the use of services? I'll tell later. If I tell now, you will not understand. Once we do 4-5 mappings, I will tell the architecture of IICS. So as of now, for data integration, for mapping, we require data integration server, common integration components. Clear? Understood? Mass integration, if it is mass injection, it is giving error means not a problem. Not a problem. Okay. You can select mass ingestion here, stop and restart. You can after 5 minutes it will restart. Okay. Are you clear about the services, guys? By mistake, I stopped secure agent. Then if you by mistake, if you stop secure agent, you go to services, right click, restart. By mistake, if you stop secure agent, right click, restart. Clear? And wait for 5-10 minutes. Wait for 5-10 minutes. Your this one will be installed. Okay. You don't need to check this every time. Yeah. Check, at least you need to check whether these are running or not. If your mapping is failed, suppose in IICS, maybe this is one of the reason. Maybe one of the service is not running. Clear about it? Are you clear, please? Understood? Understanding, guys? Yes. Okay. No, if you close, it will not stop. It will not stop. It will be up. It will be up. It will not stop. Okay. So you can directly, if you close also, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. In real time, do we have access to this? Yes, we have. Yes, you can see in real time also. In real time also, you can see these services. Okay. So now this is about in the administrator. This is the first thing you need to do. Are you clear? You need to check on services. All the services should be up and running. Next, go to data integration. Go to data integration. You should create a project first. You should create a project in data integration. How to create a project? Go to explore. I am in data integration. When we require secure agent token, once it is running, if you want to do a mapping, all these should be running. Once they are running, go to explore. All projects. Go to explore. We have all these projects. Now there is a new project here. In the data integration, explore. Are you seeing new project? See, it will take some time to remember all these things. It will take 5-6 days time. After 5-6 mappings, it will be easy for you. Really, I'm saying. Until 5-6 days, because this look and feel is environment, but it is easy. The look and feel is really very good in IICS. Will you agree, guys? Will you agree? Everything on the cloud, and it will be very easy to work on it. So a non-IT guy also can easily understand this. Click on new project. Once you click on new project, it is asking name. Now I am giving Raj Infra. Give any name for a project. Raj Infra. Yes, please. Give any name. I am giving Raj Infra. Batch-1 morning. Batch-1 morning. Raj Infra Batch-1 morning. Click on save. See, a project is created. Raj Infra Batch-1 morning. Yes, please. Yeah, you can import Powercenter mappings also in IICS. I'll show you. You can import Powercenter mappings also in IICS. I will show you how to do it. Understood, guys? Understood, everyone? How to create a project? Go to data integration, explore, new project. Then open that project. Now, what you have to do? In this, nothing is there. Real time also will be there. Same. Real time, whatever I'm showing you, it's purely real time, please. Go to home. Now see, please, here are you seeing 5 projects? Most recent project, Raj Info Batch-1 morning. There are 2 runtime environments, 9 connections, 5 projects, 2 folders, 29 assets, and these are the runtime environments, my jobs, and these are the recent jobs. Yes, please. Now what you have to do first, you can check the projects. Click on projects, you can check. So now we should do the project, we should do the mappings in Raj Info Batch-1 morning. Okay. First, we have to do the mapping. What is the mapping? I have a mapping document for you. What is the mapping? I have a mapping document. Please see. What is use of secure agents? I will tell later. What is use of secure agents? I will tell after 5-6 days. First, understand. First, if you're comfortable with IICS, then you will understand. In every training, they will directly tell about architecture. This is not required, please. Architecture not required as of now. Because you should understand IICS first. Later we'll go into architecture, then you will understand better. Yes, please. Clear about it? Are you clear, guys? Yes. Okay. So this is my mapping document. As per this mapping document, in here I have source, target, and I have a logic. I should take OTSRC dev1 as a schema, locations table. I should create a target table, TGIT location table with these columns. And we should apply filter condition. What to do for this? First, go to source schema in Oracle and check the source schema OTSRC dev1. In OTSRC dev1, you can check. Select star from. Look, what is the table name? Locations. Take the locations table. Yes, please. We have how many records? We have 23 records. We need to extract the data from this table and we should load the target table. While loading, location ID should be 5, location ID greater than 5 and less than 10. That means only 4 records should send to target, correct? Only 4 records should send to target. Yes or no? Yes, please. Yes, guys. Understood? These 4 records should load to target. We should extract 23 records and we should load 4 records to target. That is what I require. So I have a source table already with source data. Now check the target table. OTTGIT dev1. Check the target table. Select star from TGIT location div. Select star from TGIT location div. It is not there. So what to do? How to create a target table from source table? I want to create a target table structure from source table. How to do? There is a easy query. How? See, please. Create in target schema. Create table. Target table name. Target table name. As select star from OTSRC dev1. OTSRC dev1 dot OTSRC dev1 dot locations. The source table name. Where 1 equal to 2. Where 1 equal to 2. Understood? I want structure. Because I don't have a target table in target schema, I want to create a structure. How to create a structure? One method is come to source, DSC locations. DSC locations. Take this, paste it here, and write a create table statement for this. That is one method. Instead of that, there is a query. In the target schema, create table. Yes, please. TGIT location dim as select star from OTSRC dev 1 dot locations where 1 equal to 2. Where 1 equal to 2. Create. Is the TGIT location dim created? Is the TGIT location dim created? Now check please. Is it created? Check the structure. DSC TGIT location dim. Correct, please? Is it created, guys? Understood? 1 equal to 2 means it will copy only structure. Where 1 equal to 2 means whatever the structure of locations it will create this. If you don't give 1 equal to 2, the data also will come. If you don't give 1 equal to 2, whatever the source data will come to target table directly. I don't want data, I just want structure. That is called 1 equal to 2. Okay. Now what I should do? My source is created. My source table name is locations. False condition, correct. My source table name is what? My source table name is locations, correct? My source table name is locations. My target table name is the target location table. It is having 23 records. This is having 0 records, correct? Yes, please. This is having 23 records. This is having 0 records. Understood, everyone? Are you clear? Everyone, are you clear, please? Understanding? Please give reply. Understood? Yeah. So now we have source table with 23 records. Target table is 0 records. Now we should bring these two to IICS. Through IICS, these 23 records should go to here. Through IICS, these 23 we should pass to target. How? We'll see now. Okay. Now, once you have source and target, go to IICS. Now come to administrator again. Create the connections. Create the connectors or connections. Create source connection. Create target connection. Understood? Like we'll create ODBC connection Powercenter, right? In Powercenter, we'll go to here, sources, import from database, okay, and click on these 3 dots, add, we'll create a ODBC connection in Oracle, in Powercenter. If you want to install Powercenter, if you want to install Powercenter, you can install, I'll give you a video, you can install, if you want to install, okay? Yes, please. Anybody want to install Powercenter? Anybody wanted to install Powercenter? If you want, WhatsApp on 8105296858. I will give the softwares and I will give the video. You can install. Okay. But while you install Powercenter, don't uninstall Oracle. Use the same Oracle. Whatever the Oracle you have, use the same thing. And on top of it, install Informatica Powercenter. You can easily install. I'll give the video. Don't worry. If you don't have, I have a video in my channel. If you see my YouTube channel, so this is my YouTube channel. Please, everyone, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, please. So Raj Informatica real-time based training. So everyone, please subscribe. Here I have Informatica Powercenter. Informatica, there are many useful videos here. So if you see here, there are many useful videos I have uploaded in this one. So you can go through that. Yes, please. You can go through. This is my what? YouTube channel. Yes, please. So here you search with. Guys, is my voice and screen is clear? Is my voice and screen is clear? Yes, I have good internet connection, please. See this? This is the one. So see this? How to install Informatica 10, Informatica installation by Raj. Open this. So here I have given a clear-cut installation links. Okay, you can download the links. Okay, and you can install it. This is about. And if you want to install Secure Agent, here, this is the one. You can install Secure Agent. Yes, please, by using this link. And coming to website, my website is rajinformatica.com. So you will get all the materials from next session. This is my website, which I will maintain. So this is my website. You will be getting access today. Today night, you will get the access. So you can see the what you can see. You can see my company, about us, contact us. See, you can see the courses. You can see our training material. Okay. And if you go to students, enrolled courses, it is yours. Okay. And you can see terms and conditions. Okay. Payments and refund policy. You can go ahead and you can check payments and refund policy. Okay. And you can check the terms and conditions. You can check the terms and conditions, which are in red. Please read about it. Which is in red, please read about it. It is very important. Please read once so that you will understand about Raj Informatica. So our Raj Informatica is a company, okay, which we are running from two years. Okay, so you can see my email IDs and WhatsApp and calling numbers. Okay, yes, please. So that's about this Powercenter. Okay, my YouTube channel and also my website. This is my website and this is my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. Okay, yes, please. Clear about it. So you will be having many useful things here. Okay, so you can install Powercenter also. Fine. Now let's go back to Let's go back to IICS. First, we need to, after creating schema while configuring test file due to insufficient privilege, you WhatsApp us, will help you. You WhatsApp us, will help you. Now, next most important thing, we have source ready, we have target ready. Now what we have to do, we have to create source connection, we have to create target connection. So once you done this, you have to create a project. You have to create a project first. Open IICS, then you have to check the services. 8th point is check the services, that is runtime environment. Check the runtime environment in administration. Okay, check the runtime environment in administration. Should be running status. Should all be running status. Next, in data integration. Yes, please. What you have to do? Create a folder. Create a folder. Yes, please. Once you create a folder, next step is you need to create source and target connections. Create Oracle source and target connections. Yes, please. Understanding, guys? Create source and target Oracle connections from IICS administration. Are you clear? Understood, guys? Administrator. It's administrator. Understood? Project. Sorry, project. Are you clear, please? Understood? Now what we have to do? You go to administrator, connections. Are you seeing connections? Are you seeing connections on the left side? Maybe you will be having very less connections. You will be having no connections. Now you need to create a connection. How? Click on new connection. Are you seeing new connection? Are you seeing new connection in the green? Click on it. Once you click on new connection, there is a connection name. What I can write CONN. You can write any name. I am giving a meaningful name, CONN, OT, CONN, okay, and schema name. Okay, OT SRC dev 11. Sorry, dev 1. CONN underscore OT SRC dev 1. Type is Oracle. We are connecting from IICS. We are connecting to Oracle. Okay, by using a connection. Next, runtime environment should be the second one. Your host name. Runtime environment should be your host name or your server name. Click on it. Okay. Oracle subtype on-premise. Oracle subtype is on-premise. Username. Where I will get these details? Username, password, host name, port number, service name. Where I will get it? Where I will get it? All this. Guys, where I will get it? Oracle. Go to Oracle SQL Developer. Right click on the schema. Properties. Properties. And here, these are the things, correct? Whatever the username, take it. Go to IICS. Username. Next, password. Whatever the password you given, give the password here. Host name, localhost, you give it here. Port number 1521. Service ID, XE. Service ID, XE. Once you install the secure agent, your host name will come here. Either it may be IP address, it may be your laptop name, it may be your name. Okay. So what is this host name is? If you go to CMD, you go to command prompt. And here you give CMD. host name. This is your host name or laptop name. This is your computer name or laptop name. Whatever, what you do, go to CMD. Under here, you type host name. Whatever you will see here, you will be seeing the same thing in your secure agent also. In here also, you will see the same thing, secure agent. Are you clear? So now code page. Code page should be Windows Latin or UTF-8. Better select UTF-8. Are you clear? So go to test, go to connection, new connection, give the connection name, Oracle, and runtime environment is your host name. What is code page? I will tell later. I will tell later. Please wait. Okay. Now username, password, host name, port number, service name, code page, test connection. Test connection. See, the test for connection is successful. The test for connection is successful. Are you clear? So if your connection is refused, showing error, suppose while you are connecting, you are getting this message. You are getting this error message. What to do? Maybe your Oracle services are not running. If you are getting this, maybe your Oracle services are not running. For that, what we have to do? Yes, please. 1 second, please wait. For this, what we have to do? If you get error while you are connecting it, go to services, Oracle services. In Oracle, there are 6 services. The Oracle, the first one you leave it. There are 5 services. First one you leave it. The next 4 should be running. Check whether Oracle job scheduler not required. The next 4 should be in running status. Check whether they are in running status. Okay. Yes, please. Understood? Are you clear? Understanding? So then your connection will be successful. Save. So you see here, my port, you go to connections again. Here it is connected. OT SRC1 connected. Yes, please. Connected. Yes or no? Did you understand how to create a source connection? Then create a target connection. Again, target connection, new connection. New. In the new, click on new, give the name CONN. These are the naming conventions. OT, TGT, Dev1. Type Oracle again. Select your laptop, that is your host name, your runtime environment name, whatever it is there, the same thing I am selecting here. Username, go to Oracle again. Okay, go to Oracle. Select your target schema. Properties. Take the username and put it here. Whatever the password you give here, the same password you should give here. Host, localhost, service name, XE, code page, UTF-8, test connection. Successful, save. Now, my source and target connections are successful. Once you save, it will save. Go to runtime environment. Connections. Go to connections. See, these 2 connections are created. If you want to edit the connection, you can create the stage also. Same, correct. See, if you want to copy the connections, you can copy. If you want to edit, you can edit. If you want to remove, you can remove. Code page means I will tell later. Please wait. I will tell later classes. Did you understand, please? Are you clear? If you want to edit the connection, edit it. It will open again the same connection. You can edit. Okay. If you want to delete the connections, you can delete it. Okay. If you want to change permissions, you can change it. Change permissions are not required. Okay. Dependencies also not required. Maybe we'll use edit. Done. Now my connections are done. Clear, guys? My create, source, and target connections are done. Now we should do a mapping. Like Powercenter, we'll do a mapping. We'll do a mapping in Powercenter, please. Like this. Yes, please. This is a Powercenter mapping. This is a Powercenter mapping. Yes, guys. What is my target table name? TGT location, correct? Yeah. See here, the same mapping I'll show you here first. We don't have to, yeah. Now this mapping, the same mapping, we can delete connection and create connection with the same name. Yes, you can do it. You can do it. In Powercenter and IICS will work differently. You can do it. In IICS, you can do it. There is no check-in, check-out concept in IICS. We should do the same mapping in where? In IICS. How to do a mapping? Come to data integration. Come to data integration. Click on new. Are you seeing plus new? Are you seeing plus new? Yes, please. Are you seeing plus new? Guys, please reply. Click on plus new. If you see here, there are many options. You will get it. N number of options. Mapping task, synchronization, masking, replication, Powercenter. Okay, mapping, maplets, task flows, components. There are N number of options in IICS. Very wide range of options in really IICS is become so powerful nowadays. It is having N number of options. See, please. I just went plus. The mapping task, synchronization task, masking task, replication, Powercenter task, dynamic mapping, data transfer. Okay. We have many things, mappings, maplets. In maplets, many things, task flows, components. We'll see one by one later. Now we should create a mapping. How to create a mapping? We should create a IICS mapping. How to create a mapping? Go to plus. Come to mappings, mapping. Come to mappings, mapping. Are you clear? Click on plus. Go to mappings, mapping, create. Try to understand carefully. There is a lots of difference between Powercenter and IICS. There is a lots of difference between Powercenter and IICS. It will take some time, but very easy. I'm saying easy. It will take some time to adjust with IICS. Once you get adjusted, you can play with IICS. Really, I'm saying. Once you create a mapping, automatically source and target are came. But in Powercenter, if you create a mapping in Powercenter, suppose I'm creating a mapping, m_mapping 1. Okay. Now there is no source and target. We need to drag it. We need to drag the source, drag the target, correct? In Powercenter. But here, automatically a target and sources come. This left side window is called a connection window. This is called a canvas, mapping canvas. What is that? Mapping canvas. We will call this as mapping canvas. In the mapping canvas, we will be having transformations, source transformation, target transformation, aggregator, data masking, expression, filter. There are many transformations are there here. You can use any one. And you will see this. So it will give some ideas. Okay, it will give some. So you can switch off it. If you don't want it, see here only it lasts. You can switch off it. If you don't want this, you can switch off or on. Suppose if it is like this. If you want to arrange all, you can click on this button. If you want to delete, you can delete it. You want to cut, copy, cut, paste. Okay, maximize, minimize, maximize, minimize. Now there is an undo button. There is no undo button in Powercenter, right? Do we have undo button in Powercenter? Do we have undo button in Powercenter? No. If you delete anything, you cannot undo in Powercenter, but in IICS we have. See, we have undo button. See, please. Are you seeing undo? Undo, redo. Yes, please. We have undo. If you deleted anything, immediately you can click on undo. It will come. Suppose you created a filter. Suppose. Okay. Now you deleted it. Now you deleted it. Okay. Yes, please. Click on this. Is it came? Until you save, it will come. But if you save, it will not come. If you save it, finished. If you save, it will not come. Until you save, you can revert it. Are you clear? Understood, guys? Everyone? Understood? So this is my when I create a mapping, a source and target has come. A source and target has come. Okay. Once the source and target has come, this is called a mapping canvas. So we have these options here. We can arrange all, we can remove, you can arrange all, you can remove, copy, paste, in all these things you can do. Now, please, first, you need to create a mapping. I created a mapping. How I created? I'm showing you again. How I created? Go to click on new, mappings, create a mapping. Select this, automatically selected, create. It created a mapping with a name mapping 4. With a name mapping 4. Yes, please. Now what to do? First, change the where, under which location. Here, if you browse, under which location? Under Raj Info Batch 1. It is already there. It is already selected. If you want to change it, you can change it. You can change to any other project. Okay. I am in Raj Info Batch 1 morning. Now what I'll do? I'll give a mapping name. So here the mapping name will be M underscore target table name. Same like Powercenter. M underscore target table name. M underscore TGT location name. Today we are going to learn filter transformation. Filter. Yes, please. Now click on save. Click on save here. See, the mapping name is changed. Is the mapping name is changed? You can write the description here. This mapping is use filter transformation. You can write any description here. Filter transformation to filter the source records. To filter the source record by using this condition. We don't have source qualifier. We don't have source qualifier in IICS. We don't have source qualifier in IICS, please. Okay. Records by using this condition. By using this condition. Yes, please. What is the condition? This condition, correct? This is the condition. So like this, you can write any description here. Okay. Then save. Please keep clicking on save. Once you save, the mapping name is changed. Now, the first thing is source transformation. Here, everything is a transformation. You can click on source. The properties will change down. See, you can scroll down, scroll up. See, there are 3 dots. Scroll down, scroll up. Okay. Yes, please. I will tell you what is the reason of not having source qualifier. I'll tell you. Please wait. I'll tell you. Please wait. So see, you can scroll down, scroll up. Okay. You can drag also. You can drag this like this. You can drag this like this. It'll be fun really working on IICS. Okay. When you click on source transformation, the properties will change here. When you click on target transformation, the properties will change here. Correct? Now, first we need to select the source. How to select the source? Click on source. Please click on source. A blue border has come. When you don't click, the blue border has not come, correct? Do we have a blue border for source? No. Click on source, a blue border has come. Click on source, a blue border has come. Yes or no, please? Please reply. A blue border has come. Yes. Once the blue border has come, source name. Give your source name. As per mapping document, what is source name? Locations. You have to give the name. Remove this, select the source, give the source name, locations. Okay. Next, come to source, general. When you click on locations, we have general, source, fields, partitions. Click on, by default, it will be general. Give the name locations. Click on source. Once you click on source, we have details, query options, many things. See now, if you want to maximize this window, are you seeing this one button? There are 3 buttons here. One is minimize, one is restore, maximize. Click on maximize. See, is it maximized? You want to minimize? Minimize. It will minimize. You want to restore? It will take some time to adjust with IICS. First, it will be really confusing. But once you're doing, it will be fun with. It will be fun with learning IICS. Really, I'm saying you will like it. You will like IICS more than Powercenter. I can promise you. Okay. So this is minimize connection window, minimize source window, restore source window, maximize source window. Are you clear? Understood, guys? Same. Click on target, minimize target window, restore target window, maximize target window. Clear? Restore. Now what to do? First, we need to select our source. How to select our source? Click on source, rename the source, go to source for better view. Guys, my voice is clear. See, my voice will be always clear because I am having 300 Mbps connection. I am having, if you see my speed, it will be more than 300 Mbps. My speed will be more than 300 Mbps. Okay, see here, almost it is 300 Mbps. My voice will never break. If my voice is breaking, then it's your problem, please. Then it is your connection problem. Okay, I am having almost a good, very good internet speed, which a small software company will run this with this speed. A small software company which is having for 20-30 people will have that speed. I'm using that kind of a speed. Okay. So my voice will be always clear. If my voice is not clear, then it's your problem, please. Okay. Yeah, done. Now, if you see locations, source, click on the source, come to source, maximize your source window. Now select your connection. Whatever the connection we created here, we created a connection here. That connection, you select OTSRC Dev 1. Yes, please. I connected my connection. Then there are 4 options: single object, multiple object, query, parameter. We'll see one by one later. As of now, select single object. Then select. Then it will show all the tables in your schema. See, whatever the tables in my schema, in my source schema, whatever the tables we have in my source schema, all are displaying here. Total 12 objects I have. Inventories. See, we have inventories. Okay, inventories we have. Order items we have. Order items we have. Orders we have. All those things here. What is my source table? Locations. Select locations. Click on OK. Now my locations table is selected. It is selected. Understanding? Understanding, everyone? It is selected. Are you clear, please? Understood, everyone? Now, once it is selected, there are query options advanced. We'll see later all those things. Now save it. There are many options. We'll see that later. I selected source. Now restore it. Done. I selected locations as my source table. Now click on the target. Same process. Give the target name. What is the target name? As per mapping document, TGT location table. TGT location table. Same. Incoming fields, nothing is there as of now. General, select the target. The blue mark, the blue border should come. TGT location dim. Now maximize the target window. Maximize. Come to target. Same now. Click on target connection. OTTG Dev 1. Here also it will show. Select object parameter. Just select object. Select. Now whatever there in target, in my target only one table is there. In my target schema, I have only one table. In my target schema, I have only one table. What is that? TGT location dim. Select this. Click on OK. Now my target is selected. My target is selected from Oracle. It will take some time. Please wait with patience because it is running on cloud, right? It will be take some time. Yeah. Done. See, source is done, target is done, save. Save. Okay. Now again, restore the window. Suppose you want to see the source data. Come to source, select source, go to source. Are you seeing preview data? If you want to see the source data from Informatica, whatever there in Oracle, you want to see here. Click on preview data. It will show the data. Few data it will show. See, first 10 rows it will show. Are you seeing? First 10 rows it will show. From Oracle data, it will show. You can see from Informatica. Same. Click on target. Target. Preview data. But we don't have any records in target. It is showing blank. No records to view. Done. So my source is configured. My target is configured. In target, there are many options. We'll see one by one later. We have truncate object, enable, and operation insert, pre-SQL, post-SQL, update override. There are many things are there. We'll see later. Now my source is done. Target is done. What is the next step? If you see the now source fields, you see the fields. Click on source. So here you see the origin. These source fields are coming from where? These source fields are belongs to which origin? Location's origin, location source, correct? Location ID, address, city, postal code, country, or belongs to whom? Locations. Okay, restore it. Select target, and click on target fields. Click on target fields. When you see the target fields, these target fields are belongs to target location, target team, correct? These target fields are coming to target. Yes or no, please? Understanding, guys? These fields are belongs to, if you want to change the data types and all, we'll see later. Please understand the basics first. These belongs to target. Okay. We have, under target, we have incoming fields. You see the incoming fields? To the target, we are getting these fields from source. We are getting these incoming fields. What is the field selector? Leave about incoming fields. You don't confuse. Leave it. If you don't know about incoming fields, also not a problem. The only thing you need to understand is source. You selected source object or not. Target. You selected target object. That's it. You see. Don't see anything. Don't confuse. I'll see everything later in a clear-cut manner. Then my source is selected. My target is selected. Now, what I want to do? I want to give location ID is greater than 5 and location ID is less than 10. What to do? You can take a filter transformation. How? There are two methods to take it. One, you click on this bulb button, click on filter. One is this method. Or you go here, drag it to here, connect like this. Okay, 1 second. First you connect these two. Then what you do? Take the filter and drag it in between. See? Is it drag? Filter. Once you now see, there are three objects now. There are three objects. Source, locations, target location dim, filter. If you want to give a name for the filter, give it file underscore location ID, because we are filtering out location IDs, correct? File underscore location ID. I given the name of the filter. Now click on filter. When you click on filter, so what do you do? What I have done, please observe again. It was like this, correct? It was like this. Yes, I'm going slow. Don't worry. That's what. If you have Powercenter knowledge, it is very easy. It will be very easy. Okay. So get Powercenter knowledge first. Then learn IICS. So I have source target. If you want to create a filter, click on this bulb button. Click on filter. Is it come, please? Guys, filter transformation, how to create? Did you understand? Did you understand how to create a filter transformation? Now click on the filter. Now the blue border on filter. Click on the name. Name will be anything. FIL underscore location ID, something like this. Location ID. Description you can write it. Now come to filter. Click on filter. This filter left side. filter. In the filter, we have three options: simple, advanced, completely parameterized. Simple means the by default simple. You can maximize filter also. See, you can maximize filter. You can minimize filter properties. You can restore filter properties. I'm maximizing filter properties. Now what I want, what is the thing we require? We require location ID is greater than 5, location ID is less than 10. Click on plus symbol here. Here you will see the field names. You will see the field names, correct? Yes, please. Click on location ID. Location ID, operators, greater than 5. Greater than, give 5. Next, click on one more. Click on one more, plus. Next, location ID, less than 10. Yes, please. Location ID greater than 5. Location ID less than 10. It will use AND operator in between. It will act as a location ID is greater than 5. Location ID is less than 10. That is simple. Save it. This is just a simple filter condition. If you want advanced, click on this. Go to advanced. If you want R operator, go to advanced. Go to advanced. See here, the same thing it has given. If you want R operator, edit filter condition, give R here. By default in the simple filter, what it will do? If you write like this, it will take AND operator. Suppose you want R operator. What to do? You go to this one, filter condition, advanced, click on yes, edit filter condition. You write anything, R and not, between, you know, you cannot use it. In all those things, whatever we can use in Powercenter, you can use it here also. Are you clear? Understood, guys? Are you clear? Now validate if you want. It will validate it. Click on OK. Click on OK. Restore. Save. Save. So what we have done? We created a source. We created a filter transformation. We created a target. But still, it is invalid. See, still the mapping is invalid. Why? Because in Informatica, what we will do? See, please. Normally, if I want in Informatica, okay, we'll take a filter. We'll connect it, right? Like this. We'll connect like this. But here, there is no option to connect, correct? Here, see now, there is a source. What is my source? What is my source? Try to understand carefully. Source is my locations table. So this is my source. Do we have source here? I'm comparing for better understanding. Do we have source here? Source, correct? What are the source fields? Location ID to country ID. These are the source fields. These are the source fields, please, correct? Source fields. Now take a filter. What we do in Powercenter, take a filter, bring everything to filter, correct? Take a filter, bring everything to filter. But when I create a filter, are you seeing incoming fields? It will automatically come everything to filter. You no need to drag here. It will automatically come everything to filter from locations. Correct? Are we getting to the filter? Are we getting from locations? But in here, in Powercenter, you need to drag it. But here, you no need to drag this part. You no need to do it. It will automatically do it. See? Click on filter, incoming fields. From where they are incoming? From locations. Correct? Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear? Guys, understood? The concept is very simple, but little different. That's it. Little different. It will take some time to adjust it, but I'm saying really you will love it. You will love IICS, I'm saying. Okay. When I learned IICS, I really enjoyed it. Okay. So the same thing will happen here also. Please try to understand. Source, it is having. If you don't want fields, I'll tell you what to do. I will tell you. Source, fields. Same, filter, incoming fields. Scroll down here. You can unlink also here. You can unlink. I will tell you what to do. I'll tell later. Okay. So it will automatically come everything to filter. Next, target. What is my target? TG location name. Correct. This is the one. Now what we will do, we'll drag it again to target, correct? First, we'll select a target. Then target is having fields. Once I drag the target to here, target is having some fields. Yes or no? Same way, you select the target. Target, it is having some fields. It is having some fields, correct? T location team having location ID address. Now, the main part is you need to connect from filter to target like this, correct? You need to filter to target, we need to do. In IICS also, we need to do. How? Are you seeing field mapping under target? Click on target. Field mapping, are you seeing? Are you seeing field mapping? Maximize it. See? Now, these are incoming fields, target fields. Incoming fields from where? From where? From filter they are coming to target. Like this. Drag this location ID to location ID, address to address, postal code to postal code, city to city, state to state, country ID to country ID. Suppose you don't want to do it like this. I'm unmapping it. I'm unmapping everything. See, like this, you need to unmap. Click on this, unmap. Understanding? Click on this, unmap. Whichever I have, I am unmapping everything. I will tell you, please. I'm coming to there. Unmap. So, what we have is, see please. We have filter target. Now, there is an auto link option here. Either you want to select like this. If you want to select like this, what to do? If you want to select like this, what to do? Drag it like this, location ID to location ID. You want to connect from address to address. What to do? Address to address, what to do? Drag it address to address. Clear, guys? Yes, please. Otherwise, you don't want it. You want to unconnect it. So here also you click on this unmap. Click on this unmap. There is an auto link option here. Auto link by name. Everything auto link like this. Same way, we have here smart map. We have two things, exact field name, smart map, almost same. Click on smart map. All are came here. All the things has come. You don't need to drag it. Just click on this, click on smart map. Are you clear? Then click on save. Now see this, it will become valid. Now see this, my mapping is valid. Is the mapping is valid? Is the mapping is valid, please? Did you understand how to do? Everyone, did you understand? So what to do? Minimize this. So you can restore it. Source, we have source. Select the source. Filter, select the filter. Go to filter. Then edit filter condition. Edit filter condition if you want, or write it. Then click on target. You can check just target, you can select. The most important thing is field mapping. If you don't do field mapping, your mapping will be invalid. If you don't do field mapping, your mapping will be invalid. So how to do field mapping? Maximize your window, maximize your target properties. Here select this smart map. That's it. It will automatically come. Then save it. Once you save, your mapping is valid. Your mapping is valid. Restore it. Are you clear? Understanding? Clear about it? You can see this whether mapping is valid or not. You can see here this one. Validation. If you select this, it will show mapping is valid. Yes, please. Understood? Everyone? Now mapping is done. See, in Powercenter, after creating mapping, can you run directly? Suppose you create a mapping. Can we run a mapping directly in Powercenter? Can you run a mapping directly in Powercenter? No, you cannot run. You need to create a session. No. The answer is no. You need to create a mapping, then session, then workflow. Then workflow. Here, you can directly run a mapping. Here, you can directly run a mapping. No need of session workflow. But in real time, we will not do this process. We will create a mapping configuration task. You can run this, but in real time, so create a mapping, create a mapping. Once you create a mapping, now you need to create a MCT, create a mapping configuration task or a mapping task. Once you create a mapping, you can run, but in real time, we will not do like that. We will create a mapping configuration task like a session. So IICS mapping is equal to Informatica mapping. Okay. Now IICS mapping task is equal to Informatica session. Informatica session and workflow both. Informatica session workflow both. IICS mapping is equal to Informatica mapping, like the same. IICS mapping task, mapping configuration task equal to Informatica session workflow. How to create a mapping configuration task? First, copy the mapping name. Copy the mapping name. Go to new. Are you seeing tasks? We have mapping task, synchronization task, masking task, replication task, Powercenter task, dynamic mapping task, data transfer task. First, click on the mapping task. Create. It will create a mapping task. See task name. The task name will be MCT mapping configuration task underscore M underscore TGT location dim filter. And it will be in the folder. It will be in the project location info Batch-1 morning. Select the runtime environment. Select it. Then select the mapping. What is the mapping we have done first till now? Which mapping we have done? TGT location dim filter. Select. Select. Understood? See, the mapping as shown here. Understanding, guys? What to do? I'm showing you again. Click on, once you create a mapping, it should be valid. Once it is valid, click on plus, click on plus, click on the task will be visible. The first one will be auto selected. Click on create. Once you create, task name is M underscore TGT, MCT underscore. The naming convention is MCT underscore M underscore TGT location dim filter. Runtime environment, you select. Runtime environment is very important. I will tell you later. Why to use runtime? I will tell later. Based on runtime environment only, it will work. I will tell later. Now select your mapping which you created. Select it. Select. The mapping will be created. Click on next. There are many options. Don't see any options as of now. I'll tell all the options later. Click on finish. Once you click on finish, a mapping configuration task is created. See please in the left side window. You can select it. Mapping configuration task. In the left side window, mapping 3, mapping TGT location dim. You can select it. You can close it also. You can close it also in the left side. See, the mapping is like in blue color. Mapping configuration task is in yellow color. Understanding? Are you clear? Is there any integration service within IICS? Secure agent is the integration service. Secure agent is the integration service. Understood? I created a mapping configuration task. Are you clear? I created a mapping called M underscore TGT location dim filter. I create a mapping configuration task called MCT M TGT location dim filter. Now you should run mapping configuration task. Are you seeing run here? Are you seeing run button? Click on run. Once you click on run, started MCT M TGT location dim filter, view in my jobs. Where you should go? Monitor you should go. You should go to monitor. How to open monitor? Click on this. Right click. Open link in new tab. Open link in new tab. Then the monitor window will open. Here, see success. Is this success? How many rows processed? Click on this. Once you click on this, see, source success was 24, target success was 4. Correct, please? Source success was 23, target success was 4. Go to your Oracle and check your target table. Check it out. We have locationality greater than 5, less than 10. We have locationality greater than 5, less than 10. Are you clear, please? Understood? Did you understand clearly? So in here, you can close this. Here it will show the status. So how to create a, if you want, I'll create a, You want to create MCT again? I'll create again. If you want to create MCT again, I'll create again. See, please. Once you create a mapping, click on new, click on tasks, mapping task, create MCT underscore mapping name. It is already there. I am clicking one more new. Runtime environment, your secure agent, laptop, that is host name. Select the mapping name. Select the mapping. Click on select. Then click on next. There are many options. Don't see the options. Click on finish. Click on finish. Now a mapping configuration task is created. See, this is a mapping configuration task. Mapping configuration task, MCT name. Once you're done, run. Are you seeing run? Click on run. Once you run, it will show here started MCT. You go to monitor. See, please, second job is starting. Second job is starting. Just watch it. It will take some time. Starting. Then it will go to running. You want to change this, you can refresh. This refresh. See, it is succeeded. If it is still running, you refresh it. If refresh it, it will show. Succeeded. If you want to see the previously connected MCT, go to data integration. Here. Suppose you go to home. You go to home. Projects. Raj Informatica Batch-1 morning. Here. You see. There are two mappings. Mapping 3. Mapping type mapping task. These are two mappings, mapping tasks. Where to go? Home. 5 projects. Click on your project. Here you can see, you can click it. It will open directly. If you click, it will open directly. How to deploy the code in IICS, we'll see later. We'll see one by one. Don't be hurried. So did you understand today's concept clearly? Did you understand how filter transformation is working? I have given some tasks to you. Condition 2, you can use this. Condition 3, you can use this. And here I given many tasks here. Leave about this. Take the source as products and target as products TGT. Do this. Take the source as countries. Take the source as countries doing it. Take the source as employees and do it. Okay. If it is failed, how to see the log? How to see the log, session log or task log? Come to monitor. Are you seeing here download button? Download log. Download log. It will directly download your system. Download. This is a log. Double click on it. It will open the log in the notepad. Are you clear? See, this is a log. Yes, please. I'll show you tomorrow in the next session. Next session will be on Monday. So next few instructions, please. Next session is on Monday. Please wait for 5 minutes. Next session is on Monday. Okay. Next session is on Monday. Okay. So whoever paid full fee, whoever paid 23,000, we have added to the WhatsApp group. We have added to the WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group. If you pay full fee, then only we will add you in the WhatsApp group. In the WhatsApp group, and you will get the website access. WhatsApp group we will add it, and we'll give the where. Then we will add you in the WhatsApp group. Then you will get the website access. I will, if you paid, if you don't get it, if you paid, if you don't get it, please WhatsApp us on 8105296858. 8105296858 WhatsApp, you will be added. Then only you will get it website access. Then only you will get website access. Then only you will get first 10 video recordings. Then only you will get first 10 video recordings. First 10 video recordings. Then only you will get material. Then only you will get material, please. Are you clear? So the timings are, as I told you, 9:30 to 11:30. 9:30 to 11:30 morning. Evening 7:30 to 9:30. Whatever I tell in morning, I will tell the same thing in evening. This is AM IST. AM IST Indian time. PM IST Indian time. Whatever I tell on morning, I will tell the same thing in evening. If you want to join morning, you can join. If you are not free at evening, morning, you can join in evening. There is no restriction. You can join any session. Are you clear? Understood? Everyone understood, please? If you are paid full fees, if you did not add a WhatsApp group, please WhatsApp us on this. If you pay full fee, then only you will get the WhatsApp group access. We'll add you. Then only you will get the website access. Then only you will get the first 10 video access, video recordings. Then only you will get the material. So please pay the fees as soon as possible as per your schedule and get all these things. Are you clear? Clear, please? So did you enjoy my session? Did you understood my session clearly? Like Powercenter, how you expected, the same thing is here. Did you feel any difference? Maybe I'm explaining more. Maybe I'm explaining more than the previous batches because I habituated, right? 19 batches I completed. 19 batches, almost 2 years. Daily I was telling the same thing. Daily, morning, evening, morning, evening, morning, evening. Steps are more, but it's very easy. Steps are more in IICS, but it's very easy. Okay? Yes, please. Yes, guys. Yeah. Understood? Clear, guys? So did you enjoy my session? Yes, please. We'll tell the dates on Monday. Monday we'll tell you. Okay. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed my session. The next session will be on Monday. The next session will be on Monday. Okay. So speak access I cannot give because there are many people. If everybody speak it, nobody can understand anything. Whatever you can ask in chat. I will surely reply. I'll surely reply. Yes, please. Informatica transformations again. Not everything I will explain. Not everything, but little I'll explain. Okay. How many videos? But again, 10 only. 10 only. Okay. So please, I'll send this material by Google Drive. 30 to 32 live sessions, 30 to 35 live sessions, 70 plus hours. 70 plus hours. Yes, please. Clear? Yes, please. Yeah. Okay, guys. Yes, please. Understood? Everyone? Are you clear? Yes, please. I'll share all these things to you. I'll share all these things to you. So please, I hope enjoy my session. So please go to my why don't we run mapping directly? I'll tell you in the next session. Why don't we run mapping directly? I'll tell you in the next session. So I will upload this video in YouTube. And I will send the YouTube link to you. So please, what you do, please subscribe my channel. Everyone, go to this channel. I'll send the channel link also. Please subscribe my channel and please like my videos and also please comment on my videos. Okay, guys? See you on Monday. Thank you all. Thank you all, guys. I'll tell in the next session. See you all. Okay? So please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel and comment on my video and comment and like my videos, please. Thank you all. Bye-bye. See you guys. Thank you all. Bye-bye. See you guys.